All right, what's up, house fans? We are here today at the Queens day one. This is practice day. I'm here watching my girlfriend Madison bowl. You'll see plenty of coverage of her as well as some of your other PWBA favorite bowlers. So comment down below who you guys want to see clips of. I'm watching B Squad, so if you guys could do a little bit of research, and I'll try and get some clips of your guys' favorite bowlers as well as plenty of clips of Madison, as well as some coverage about what's going on throughout the tournament, what the scores are looking like, how Madison's doing, how your guys' favorite bowlers are doing, and what the cut's going to be. So hopefully I'll be here for plenty of days watching, videoing, and getting you guys some clips of the PWBA Tour and the 2022 USBC Queens. So before further ado, let's get to the practice session, and here we go. And since you guys are already going to be in the comments, I mean, if you guys want to subscribe to the channel, I'll be covering the Queens all week so you guys can catch more videos like this one the rest of the week. So we are like 15 minutes in and you guys are seeing a lot of those bigger balls go down the lane. For Madison, it was like a gem and a proton physics and now a shiny reality. And what I'm noticing is a lot of those shiny bowling balls are looking better than some of the big bowling balls. The pattern is 42 feet, 27 mils, and this center hooks a lot really early. So with that not super high mill, with the pattern being that long with not so many mils on the lane, it's actually going to mean that the pattern's going to hook even earlier. So a lot of the bigger balls that you're going to see going down the lane from all the girls, not only Madison, but all of the girls, they're going to have a little more shine on them. So you'll still see those, you know, first ball out the bag type bowling balls with the like Reality or Brunswick like Defenders or Warrant Solids and maybe Proton Physics and stuff like that, all those types of bowling balls. But you're going to see the surfaces be way up on the balls, and that'll help them scoot through the front, but keep that smooth first ball out the bag motion in the middle and back end of the lane. So as we get through to games 3, 4, 5, and this back like half of the practice session, I'll talk to you guys about some of those balls and some of those ball choices as we get to that part of the practice session.
I do as well. She came out of college?
So we are now like 45 minutes in, almost the end of the practice session, and you are seeing Madison throw like an RSTX2. You're seeing a lot of other girls throw some shinier bowling balls down the lane just because this is like games 4, 5, 6, 7. And with the Queens, it's actually 2 squads, which means that there's going to be a fresh, a burn, and then everyone's going to bowl on fresh the last day. So fresh, it's important to have a really good look on the fresh, but also there is still going to be a burn squad that you're going to have to survive. So Madison bowls day 1 on burn. So the RSTX2 for her, maybe like an IQ Emerald. From the Brunswick brands, you're going to see some shinier balls like a Black Widow Ghost, maybe a Bigfoot, Kinetic, Power Torque, Pearl, all of those types of shiny pearl bowling balls going down the lane that really control that middle part of the lane, because as you move in, you're going to see the ball hook a little earlier, and you're going to have to make sure that your ball is clean enough through the front, but also doesn't over snap in the middle part of the lane. So a lot of these girls are super good at that, and that's something I struggle with because I just throw purple hammers. But as we see throughout the week, I'll take you guys through some of those ball changes, some of what these girls do and what they're doing, and I'll try and keep you guys up to date with the bowling balls and with just how much better they are at throwing reactive than me. Let's get the back couple minutes of the practice session in, and then I'll talk to you guys about what's going on tomorrow. All right, so we are back just like we've been the whole video, and we are done with the practice session, which means Madison is done throwing all those bowling balls that I talked about. So she's going to be on the burn squad tomorrow, so she's thinking maybe she's going to start with like a phase two, and then maybe we're going to go to a Zen, and then maybe we're going to go to a RSTX2, and that's pretty much where we're going to end at. If need be, if they're super burnt, which who knows how much burn there'll be. It's only 3 bowlers on a pair for 5 games each squad, so 10 games in, 3 bowlers on a pair. It might not get that bad. It might not get to that. It might not get to the RSTX2. It probably won't get to that IQ Emerald, but who knows? So you're going to see these girls throwing some weaker balls tomorrow, and then the next 2 days you're going to see those strong balls with a lot of shine on them. So everyone, comment down below, wish Madison some good luck, and also comment down your favorite PWBA bowler that you might want to see me get some clips of on B Squad, and I'll try and get at least a couple of them. So yeah, I'll catch you guys on tomorrow's vlog, and don't forget to subscribe and stick along for more coverage of the PWBA USBC Queens. Peace! Key Kevin's music.